I think it's been quite a while since I made a beat, so today what I want to do is drop a beat live in action. So let's go ahead and get into it. Got this bell loaded up from Omnisphere. I'm not going to gatekeep from you guys today, so if you want to remake this beat, by all means, just pay me some homage or some credit. This is the sound I'm using right here out of Omnisphere. Ooh, let's do something like that. That sounds pretty dope. Got that tempo set to about 86 BPMs. Then let's go ahead and quantize that. Hold down shift, do 50% a couple of times. Turn off the metronome. Let's play it back. Let's get into a little bit of drums. Tighten up that hi-hat just a little bit. Try that. Let's drop that in there. Quantize that by 50%. Drop that in there. The volume's a little bit loud. Hit him with that 808. I got on legato mode. Let's turn that down just a little bit. have this. That's pretty much the beat. You want to add that in the hook. Turn us a little bit. Whew! That's fire. Pull out that 808. See what this sub bass does. I think I like the 808. Just need some arranging, a little bit of risers, effects, filters. This beat's done, man. Just like that. It's your boy on Fizz, Mr. Slope Status. Check me out. We'll see you on the next video. We out.